Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V, the architect. Today we are looking at how to model covered bus stop in Revit family. Open Revit, go to families, go to new, go to English, select metric furniture system, then press open. Change the unit, press UN, go to length, make it meter, and the rounding to decimal, then press OK, then OK. Go to front, go to insert, import CAD, select your Autocad file, change the import unit, make it meter, and the position, make it manual center, then press open. Let's change it 1 to 1, move it, then go to create, extrusion, rectangle, select this one, then go to extrusion start from 0 and the extrusion end, let's make it 2 meter, then press finish. Go to create, extrusion, pick line, let's choose this one. The extrusion start from minus 0.2 and the end 2.2. Then press finish. Let's create this one. Go to create, extrusion, rectangle, or let's make a line from here like this. Let's go up 0.4. And from here the same. Zero point 0.4, and the extrusion start from 0 and end 2 meter. Then press finish. Let's make the ground. Go to create, extrusion, rectangle, and let's make it from here to here. The same 0 and 2 meter. Then press finish. Let's go to 3D, right, 1 to 1, create, void form, void extrusion, set, pick a plane, then press OK. Let's select this one, press tab. We want this one, and go line from the center, go offset 0.4, and let's delete this one, then press OK. Let's make it 0.5, and right, create, extrusion, we want this one glass, create, modify the same, and go set, pick a plane, the same work plane, then rectangle, split and trim. Also this one. Then press finish. We want this one. Create, extrusion, pick line, go to front, set, pick plane. Okay. Let's trim this one. Go offset. We don't want a copy. Also 40. And from here the same. Then press finish. Minus 0.5, 0.05. Also create, extrusion, set, pick a plane. Okay. This one. Trim. The same. Press finish. Minus 0.05. And we want to select all of them. Press Ctrl to select it. Go to right. Let's make a copy. Zero point 0.05. Go to front. Create, extrusion, pick line. Then press finish. Go to 3D. Let's make it minus 2 meter. Material. Create a new material. Rename glass. Okay. Let's select this one, then press OK. This one, plastic. Okay. Material. And this one the same.